Hi, my name is Srinivas. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my bachelor's degree in Vidyajyoti Institute of Technology in the Department of Information Technology, and I'm a 2025 passed out. And I joined here in May 26, 2025. It's been 5 months, and I have taken a Java full stack course. Now I am ongoing with Advanced Java, and my core Java trainer was Kaushik sir, and my web technologies trainer was Geeta ma'am, and my SQL trainer was Revan sir, and my trainers, my HR sir, Prashant sir, and Sandhya ma'am, they helped me a lot to get here. So the grooming sessions and the grooming sessions and um, the grooming sessions was helped me a lot to get here to get placed. So we have to perform well in mock interviews also. If we get 1 or 2 ratings in mocks, then we will be automatically added to requirements. So thank you.